If the deleted photos and videos keeps coming back to the gallery of your Samsung phone, then let us see how to fix the issue. Now this issue might occur if you have synced your gallery to Google Photos or to cloud-based services such as OneDrive. So the first thing I will do is I will go to Google. I will go to Google Photos, tap on this profile icon here. I will tap on the profile photo. Then I will go to photo settings, backup, and I will disable this option, backup. Also I will go back, go to collections, go to trash, and whatever photos are deleted are in this trash, I will tap on these three dotted icons here, empty trash, and then I will delete all of these photos from here. Select allow. The next thing is I will go to gallery, tap on this menu option here, go to settings, and if I have synced my gallery with OneDrive, I will disable this option. After that one, I will look for OneDrive application. Once the OneDrive app is open, I will tap on the profile photo here, go to recycle bin, and then I will delete all the photos that are inside the recycle bin of OneDrive. Also, I will go to gallery menu, I will go to trash, and whatever deleted photos are inside the trash, I will tap on these three dotted icons here, empty, and delete the photos that are inside the trash in gallery. And the last thing that I will do is I will clear the cache and data for gallery application. So I will go to settings, then I will go to apps, I will look for gallery, go to storage, select clear cache, clear data, and then delete. No photos will be deleted, but if you have customized the gallery, then that customization will be removed. So hopefully this should fix the issue. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and comment on the video if you found it helpful.